In Google Drawings, you can run spell check to make sure there are no spelling mistakes. This can be useful if you intend on sharing your drawing with others. You will see how to choose the dictionary language and use the spelling and define tools. Before checking for spelling mistakes, it's important to double check that the dictionary being used for spell check corresponds to the language that you are using in your drawing. So to do that, go up to File and then scroll down to Language. From here, you'll see a list of languages, and you can just scroll through to see the different choices. So I can see several different languages here that are offered. Now, the language that has a check mark beside it is the one that is currently being used for spell check. So I have American English here chosen, which can be important for spelling. Like if I was writing in American English, meaning with American spelling, but I had the English UK selected, that would not correct any mistakes in the right way. So make sure that you are using the correct regional spelling as well. If your drawing is in multiple languages, you can change to the other language to spell check the words in that specific language as well. I'm going to click outside to close. Next, in order to see spelling mistakes as you type, meaning that they will be underlined in red if there's a mistake, you need to make sure that this option is enabled. So I'm going to go up to View in my menu bar, and I'm going to scroll down to Show Spelling Suggestions. So I can see here that I have a couple words underlined in red. Now, if I uncheck Show Spelling Suggestions, you can see that they are no longer underlined, even though there are mistakes. Now, if I go back up to View and select Show Spelling Suggestions, the underline will reappear under those mistakes. So once my spelling suggestions are on, I can just right-click on the word that is underlined in red. And then once I right-click up at the top under Did You Mean, I can see a list of suggestions. I also have a couple other options. I can always choose to correct the same mistake to the suggested correction. I can also add the word to the dictionary. This can be good if the word is a proper noun, like a name of a person or company or a place. Now, if the word has been underlined as a mistake, you can select Ignore All, which will ignore all instances of the same word. I'm going to choose the suggested correction in order to correct this spelling mistake. You can see that that correction has been inserted.